Hi everybody, I know it's been a while, but I have some big news. I know it's been weeks and weeks since I posted my last video, and a lot has happened since then. St. Patrick's Day, first day of spring, the coronavirus, and I moved to South Carolina. Now this couldn't have come at a better time for us. You know, we moved just as the pandemic really started to ramp up in the New York City area. Sending much love to all of my friends and family up in New York City. And this goes for everybody. Wash your damn hands all the time. All right, just stay in, build stuff, make stuff. Get your hands busy, that'll take your mind off your mind. All right, with that out of the way, this is my new workshop. It doesn't look like much right now, but I've got big plans for it. Oh, so many plans. And they all center around this lovely workbench. And over the next few weeks, months, whatever, I'll be adding a cool feature or two to it. And eventually I'd like to build a new one and donate this one. My in-laws gave me these sweet metal shelves, but I also need to get my brand new drill press, a gift from my lovely and talented wife, out of this box and onto a stable platform. So in the next few weeks or very soon, I'm going to build myself a miter saw station with a drill press stand on the end. Now you may have noticed a lot of noise. Well, this is a new subdivision and there's a ton of construction going on, as you can see right here. My hope is to scavenge scrap wood as a way to subsidize my woodworking habit and avoid going to the big box stores or the lumber yard. Self-isolate people. This COVID-19 stuff is real. And we bought this house specifically for this extra garage bay, and I can already tell it's going to be magnificent, but it's pretty hot here in South Carolina, and I found out from the builder that they didn't insulate this wall. In addition, I do want this to be separate from all the usual garage stuff, right? Car exhaust, storage. So I plan to build a wall opposite, right here, this one, to insulate them both and run an AC vent or duct in the ceiling so it'll be nice and cool in the summer and not freezing cold in the winter. Although down here it doesn't really get that cold. Now it is pretty dark in here with the garage doors closed. So I got a pack of the same LED shop lights that I used in my old shop, link in the description. But it's so sunny down here, I also want to put a window in this wall. Get those rays. They obviously didn't paint the interior of this garage. So my plan is to set my son Andrew loose. He's an artist, and I'm gonna have him paint a mural all over this wall. Everybody knows concrete floors hurt. So in addition to having the whole garage floor epoxied, I'm also going to install some flooring, probably the same stuff we have in the house. Finally, I'm going to address the audio issues in this shop. I'm going to make some sound absorption panels and mount them on the ceiling. But that's just the stuff for the shop. I mean, I'm still going to make videos about electronics, reviews on small audio devices, speaker builds, and anything else you guys want to see, and frankly, anything I want to build. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. It really helps my videos reach a wider audience. And since all of you are doing your best to stay at home, we need more content to lift up our spirits, to inspire us, and to entertain us. Now, if any of my videos do any of those things for you, please hit that thumbs up button, and please keep commenting. I mean, your comments, those of you who've commented already, really inspire me to continue to do this. So like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Alex. Catch me in the next one. My in-laws gave me these sweet